Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bridget. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing well today. This is my stay at home face. Lockdown, right? Anyway, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm about to make dinner and I want to show you what I'm making. Because we're all at home now, we've been home for so long, I think we need to start experimenting and doing all sorts of different things than our usual egusi, obono, rice and stew, jollof rice, fried rice, African, Nigerian cooking. So today, I want to make chicken tortilla wraps. Yeah, chicken tortilla wraps. That's what we're having for dinner today. And I want to show you how I make really delicious Mexican style chicken tortilla wraps. So yeah, come with me, and it's really quick. The thing about cooking non-African food is that they are really quick. I tell you, I love cooking non-African food because they take little time. You're done in no time, and they always usually taste good. So let me show you how I make my wraps at home without having to go and buy the ones I already made in the shops. And yeah, see how it goes. These are the ingredients that you basically need. First of all, you need your chicken. So I've got my chicken breast here. I've just unpacked it and washed it, and I'm about to just slice it now, dice it. And then I've got onions here. I've got peppers. Usually you should use like bell peppers, different colors, but this is what I have at home at the moment. I've only got the yellow one and the red ones. I like the red one. This is the one I use for making my stew. I usually don't like buying the tatashe because they're very watery, so I buy this one for my stew. So I checked the freezer and this is all I have, so I'm just going to manage this. And I've got onions, I've got soy sauce. This is soy sauce, and I've got some seasoning, and it's just basic seasoning that I have at home. This is garlic, and this is black pepper, and you got cubes and some seasoning there. And I've got the Mexico salsa mix here, and then of course you have the wrap. This is the wrap. It's just a pack of about 8 homemade tortilla wraps, and it's quite cheap. I got this from Sainsbury's. And I've got my onions. So these are all the ingredients that you need. So I'm just going to chop them up now, get them ready, and then show you the process of making my delicious, yummy tortilla wraps. So guys, 10 minutes later, this is my chopped items, my ingredients. I've got my chicken breast here. Notice how I chopped it. This is how you need to chop it. You need to chop it in a certain way so that it's not just chopped anyhow. There's a way you chop it so that when you wrap it up, it looks nice and really delicious. So this is how you chop it. You chop it in a horizontal way, not vertical, horizontal. So that's my chicken breast, and I've got my tomatoes, fresh tomatoes chopped, all my peppers, the green, red, and the yellow, and I've got my onions here. I've got some white ones and I've got some purple ones. Yeah, so it's time to cook. Come along with me as I just mix them together, wrap it up, and then dinner is set. Yeah. The first thing to do is
we're just gonna saute some onions.
Saute some onions. You have to saute some onions. British saute English.
I think I'm gonna be using this one. Just gonna add some of that into it.
What's that?
A bit of garlic and ginger.
I like that garlic and ginger sauce. It's really nice. It smells divine. Saute some onions and allow it to cook for how long?
I'd say a minute and a half.
A minute. Don't you need it to be brown?
Brown, but not too brown.
Okay.
I'm going to turn on this. I don't know why.
You think so? I think this heat is not enough. Stir after a few minutes until it is brown. Keep stirring until your onions are, what's the English again?
Saute.
Saute. Until they are saute.
So I'm going to add in some chopped chicken.
Chopped chicken breast next. That's a lot of chicken breast. It's a lot. Are you sure this frying pan is going to cook everything?
That's what I'm worried about now.
I'm beginning to think that this chicken breast is... Anyway. The more the merrier.
I'll start adding some seasonings.
You're not going to fry it. You're just going to cook it so that it's a bit dry. You put a bit of salt before. Be careful with the salt.
Did I?
Yeah,
I didn't even salt.
you did. I saw you flipping some salt in the onions.
Okay. So I'm gonna add some pimento,
Let's see. Show it.
garlic, and ginger.
I thought you put some garlic and ginger. This is more garlic and ginger.
I love me some garlic and ginger.
Okay, let's not get it to taste bitter. Because
Hey, wait.
you sure?
100%.
Okay.
Then chuck in some black pepper.
Black pepper to the world. Yeah, I love my black pepper.
Garlic and ginger.
So you stir. As you put your seasoning in, you stir.
Yeah.
You stir it so that, it's cooking all around. Because with chicken breast, you know how it is. It's like, it cooks slowly.
Okay, so I'm going to add in some aromat all-purpose savory seasonings.
No measurements, just a dash.
You don't need measurement for this.
And you're not really big on seasoning anyway.
I
I always say you don't use enough seasoning.
I don't like
You say I use too much seasoning.
I don't like my food to be too salty.
You don't want your food to be tasty, period.
I don't know, I'm not a massive fan of too much
Seasoning. Esther, you don't use any seasoning. Let's just agree on that. That's what I always say. When you cook
Can you
stew,
agree to disagree?
cook everything, jollof rice, whatever you cook, you put little
I don't like it to be too thingy, that's why.
to be too sweet.
Salty.
Like too. Yeah, but what I tend to do is I don't use salt, so I just use seasoning, and then the seasoning serves salt and it gives you taste. Because at the end of the day, when you finish doing all this and it's not tasted, then what's the
No, but it
point?
doesn't taste nice to you, but it tastes nice to me.
Okay.
I'm gonna chuck in some Maggi, no cubes.
Are you gonna beat it up so that it will break, or you just use your hand and squeeze it?
Oh, I usually use my hand. It shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah, the chicken one is usually very easy.
I'm gonna add another one of those.
Yeah, okay. Thank God. You used to. Hallelujah! Usually I use a half of one.
That's not true.
That's what you usually do.
That's not true.
Hallelujah!
This is a lot.
Esther is using now to cook.
This is a lot.
I think it's because you're cooking for the whole family. If you're cooking for yourself alone, I'm sure you will not put this much.
Yeah, it's too much. So the chicken is gently browning.
It's not even brown yet,
Gently.
but it's looking nice.
Yeah.
Ugh. And you put some soy sauce in that. Oh my God, we don't need to buy Chinese food anymore. This is Chinese food right here.
Lastly, I just want to add some curry.
This curry, just show it to the camera. Let me show them. This curry, I'm telling you guys, I don't know where it is made from. Where is it made from? Is it Nigeria or Caribbean?
I'd say Jamaica.
Is it Jamaica? It's really,
I've
really
bought it from
nice.
Jamaica
I
before.
love it. It's really, really nice. I haven't bought it before. You bought it when I went to Nigeria, but it's nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice. I've loved since I came back. I've been enjoying it. It's just if the packaging was a little bit better than that, I would have been happier. I don't like the packaging.
It's very strong in terms of yellow.
The yellow is very strong. The flavor is very strong, but the packaging is zero. If they put it in a container that has a lid, it would have been better than this plastic. Okay, moving on. All right, all right. What's next?
So I've got some peppers here that I'm just going to chuck in.
Peppers. You got the green, you got the yellow, and
Red.
you got the red.
Just for a bit of flavor.
Yeah, I love the bell peppers, especially for flavor. When it comes to salad and things like this, they are really, really good for flavor. But when it comes to stew, forget bell pepper. I prefer the other long ones.
Why?
Because they haven't got much water like the bell pepper. The bell pepper is just watery. That's why I stopped buying them. Okay. Oh, look at the red one. It's just it's making it have a really nice look.
Okay, so I'm just going to dash some chili in there and then
Some soy sauce.
soy sauce.
Ooh, look at that. It's looking good.
Okay, so this is what we call African red pepper.
African red pepper. The
Actually, I don't know if it's
pepper.
African or if it's just Nigerian.
This is Nigerian, no? It's not Nigerian. But you know what? Cameroon pepper is even hotter than Nigerian pepper. We think our pepper is hot. Until you see Cameroon pepper can kill. Oh, Cameroon pepper is so hot. It's unbelievable. Mhm.
It's the highest.
So the water has come in now from the peppers. Yeah.
I'll let it thingy.
Mm.
And
And then your soy sauce.
this one, obviously, is just up to preference.
Yeah, I like the color. The way it always colors. It just makes the food look nice. That's why Chinese people use it to dazzle us with all this food that we spend so much money on. Esther, you didn't put anything. I can't see it.
Oh, you wanted to change the colour of the food?
Let it change slightly now.
The only thing is this, it does have sometimes that potent taste. So it's just like
Yeah, it has a bit of acidic taste.
I didn't want to put too much.
You didn't put anything at all before. The bottle is still full.
I don't want it to. And I don't want it to change the colour as well.
Okay, it looks nice.
But yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this to
Cook.
cook.
For how many minutes? 5? 4?
I'd say like 5, 6.
There's green in it from the green pepper, but it's not showing very well because of the heat.
And well, I'm just gonna cover that up.
Cover. 2 minutes later. Okay, so while this is covering, you have to, what do you do with this?
So this has been preheated already. So
Oh, have you heated this one?
yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's ready now.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't show how you heated it.
That
You just put it here and then you
that
put it in the
one's
microwave
quite
for...
soft. No, sorry, you can either put it in the microwave or you can put it in the oven.
For how long did you do
Or you
that?
can even dry heat it with the fry pan.
So you put it in the microwave for how long?
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Okay.
Yeah, just for it to be toasted, heated.
Toasted, yeah. It looks
And
fine.
then it's just to throw the contents of what's in the pan into here,
And then you wrap.
and to wrap it up.
Don't you need to taste it to actually see that it's tasty enough?
I can smell it,
Can you smell?
and some of it splashed on my hand, so I tasted it.
Oh, okay. Let's taste it. Let me taste it.
Yeah.
Heat is down. We're just gonna wrap now. Okay. So you just scoop as much as you like in the middle inside your wrap.
That's enough. That's enough.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Trust me now. I have to put everything inside and wrap it all at once. All at once. I'm dreaming on alone. Yeah, and you just basically you wrap it. Wrap.
You need to fold the bottom as well.
Yeah. This is how we wrap moi now.
Oh.
What are you telling me? This is moi. This is how we wrap moi in Nigeria. So yeah. So you just wrap it. And wrap it and wrap it and there you go. It's ready. Yeah, to be consumed. Next one. Homemade tortilla wraps, chicken wraps. You want to know how to make this in 10 minutes? Jump into this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And yeah, more recipe videos. The more thumbs up we get, the more recipe videos. Yeah, ta-da!